With interest rates higher than we have seen in over 21 years, it is not really a surprise that demand for housing has decreased. But what if I told you that there was one sector of the market that has not seen a decrease in demand, and that they have actually seen their median home price rise by 9% in the third quarter of this year when all other price sectors have kind of been flat? Well, that is exactly what we've seen in the luxury sector of the housing market. Why? Experts attribute it to a combination of limited supply and high demand for the affluent buyer. This trend reflects a broader shift in the housing market post-pandemic. See, the luxury market has actually seen a surge in prices in the third quarter of this year, and this growth has outpaced non-luxury homes where their prices have only risen by about 3.3%. And in the Phoenix Scottsdale market, we have seen this trend as well. In fact, our overall market has actually outpaced the national market's appreciation. And our luxury market has almost doubled in the appreciation that we have seen versus the national market. So when you take a look at the overall market here in the Phoenix Scottsdale area, our year-over-year price appreciation is 9.7%. However, if you take a look at homes under 2,500 square feet, which for our market is the normal non-luxury home size, you can see that the appreciation has been 3.7%. Now, to keep things in perspective, this accounts for about 79% of all the homes sold in our market. So this is where the majority of the home sales happen. But if you look at the luxury market, this shows that the appreciation year over year is at 16.7%, which is much higher than the 9% that the national average is seeing. But this only accounts for 21% of the overall number of homes that are sold here in the Valley, so it is a much smaller segment of the market. And why is the luxury market continuing to increase when others are not? Well, the luxury market usually shows a remarkable resilience, even during economic fluctuations. And this resilience is not solely based on the buyers just paying cash for the homes, because these buyers are not just buying a home, they are buying a lifestyle. At the same time, these buyers also look at these homes as an investment piece. Luxury real estate is often considered a safe haven. Wealthy individuals are likely to invest in high-end properties, if nothing more than to diversify their portfolio. Unlike stocks and bonds, real estate is a tangible asset, and luxury properties in particular tend to maintain their value over time, making it a very good investment. In periods of economic uncertainty, there's a tendency for investors to run towards more tangible assets. And luxury real estate is perceived as a stable investment because these properties are often located in desirable areas, have limited availability, and are less susceptible to market fluctuations compared to normal real estate. And this stability is a key factor in the enduring appeal of luxury real estate as an investment opportunity. This is just one of the reasons that the luxury housing market is not influenced by the interest rates. Another notable reason why the luxury market is still so strong, especially during times of high interest rates, you guessed it, these purchases are often made with cash. In fact, 42.5% of all luxury homes in the third quarter were bought this way. And that's up from 34.6% from the previous year. And there were only 28% of homes considered non-luxury that were purchased with cash. This is purely based on the fact that those luxury buyers have the ability to pay cash and avoid the interest rates. Now, my buyers that are paying cash for luxury homes are usually in two different camps. One is that they just pay cash for their homes. They don't like to have a mortgage, ever. It doesn't matter what the interest rate is. And the second one is that they can and they will pay cash to avoid those interest rates. But they will continue to watch those interest rates because as soon as they become much more favorable, they will take out a mortgage on their home, even if it's small, to take that money back out of their house to make that money go to work for them. And even during our market right now, cash can still be king. It makes a deal much more simple, it can close faster, and can give a buyer more leverage. Now let's look at the supply side. The total number of luxury homes actually grew by 2.9% from last year, while non-luxury homes actually saw a pretty sharp decline by 20.8%. Some believe the increase in the number of luxury homes available could be from a few different factors, including new home construction and high-end homeowners looking to capitalize on all the appreciation that they've gained. Now, because builder confidence has remained relatively high, they have been building more homes. Now, some places are getting more homes than others, but they are building more homes. And there's been continued building, which has really helped our low inventory. And even with the market demand shifting, the builder's ability to do rate buy downs and offer incentive to these buyers has made buying a new construction home much more appealing. And because of that, these builders have often outpaced these resale homes when it comes to the actual number of homes they've sold. This chart helps to demonstrate how new construction homes at $800,000 plus in the Phoenix Scottsdale market have increased in the number of sales we've seen this year, which is much different than the resale market, which is down when you look at the number of homes they've sold for this year. Then there's that thought that the increase in inventory is coming from those luxury homeowners that are just wanting to sell to reap the benefits of all the equity they have in their home. I personally have not had any clients looking to sell their home purely based on that reason alone. They have all had a legitimate reason for the need to sell rather than just cashing in. One of the things I have heard about more and more recently are the number of people that moved out of big cities and into other cities in another state when their job had offered them an opportunity to work remotely indefinitely. Well, now they're being called back to the office and they're going to have to sell the luxury house that they bought and buy back where they used to live. That has increased some of the luxury inventory in certain cities. Now, when you're looking at the overall luxury market, you have to then consider who's actually buying these homes. And right now we are seeing 3 top segments actually purchasing these homes. And first, it's the tech entrepreneur. These are usually people that are a little newer to wealth, who have made their money in, well, technology. They created an app or started a tech company. They're usually a little bit on the younger side and like homes that have every tech amenity known to man. They also love a really modern look and feel. Then we have the international investor. These are the people that have a lot of money and live in other countries, and they feel like investing their money in a luxury real estate here is a good idea. They might not live in the home, but they feel like this is a good place to put their money. Then there are the traditional wealthy families. These are the families that have had wealth for a long time. Maybe it was passed down from their grandparents or their great-grandparents. These buyers are usually choosing larger homes in very exclusive areas. And the things that these buyers want in their homes is kind of changing the way that luxury homes look. And smart home technology is absolutely at the top of everyone's list. These buyers want to be able to control everything from their lights to the temperature of their home, to their garage door, to the security cameras, to the sound of the music. They want to control all of that right at the touch of a button. And for most of these buyers, they are also looking for an absolutely top-notch security system. Buyers are also very into health and exercise. So they want a place where they can play and relax at the same time. Being healthy, having a gym, having spa-like amenities in their home, all very important. And many of them really like a home with unique personal touches. They want their home to feel special, like it was specifically made just for them. This could mean building a completely custom home where you're able to design everything and make every single selection. Or have a house with a cool story in a very unique location. But above all else, every luxury home wants one thing, and that's privacy. Now, if you like this video, make sure you take a look at this one. As always, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.